This video are present overviews and main features of JSK 33lb digital food scale. We will introduce the features and brief details, what's features including. To make a decision before buy order. Overview or important features are include. Rechargeable or AAA batteries. Besides the traditional AAA battery power supply mode, we also designed a rechargeable power supply mode for this digital kitchen scale. This will bring you great convenience and save some money. The item contains 2 AAA batteries and a Type-C charging cable. Big range and high accuracy. The maximum range of this food weight scale, 7.9 x 5.7 x 0.6 inch, can reach 33 pounds/15 kilograms, precisely in 1 gram/0.1 ounce increments. These food scales digital weight grams and oz. This is really a precise scale for food ounces and grams. 5 units and easy Tare button. Unit button instantly converts between 5 units of measurements and displays results on an easy-to-read LCD screen. Convenient Tare button for Tare calculation allows you to subtract the weight of plate or container, making it easy to achieve accurate readouts of ingredients. 304 food-grade stainless steel. The weighing pan is made of 304 stainless steel which can directly contact with food. You can use it with confidence for baking, meal prep, baby food prep and so on. Meanwhile, this stainless steel material is also very easy to clean. If you want to get more details, we recommend click link in the YouTube description. An important. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.